She gotta start over.
Okay, start again, Tybin.
Well, hello, darling. Well, hello, darling. It's so nice to have you back where you belong. You're looking swell, darling, and I could tell, darling. You're still glowing, you're still crowing, you're still going strong. I feel the room swaying for the band playing one of your old favorite songs from way back when. So take her up, fellas, find her an empty lap, fellas. Dolly, 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 again.